Hey everybody, today I'm going to do another unboxing of a very interesting Hot Wheel actually. I'll explain about it a little bit more in further detail once I get the package opened up here. Let me see here. Okay. Let's see if I can explain a little bit further detail once I get the package open. Do that. Get it. There we go. I got it. All around the box. Put that off to the side. Let me get this open. Now this is the Mike Strauss. I don't know if anybody knows who Mike Strauss is. This is the Mike Strauss Chevy Stalker. And for anyone who doesn't know, Mike Strauss is the father of Hot Wheels. He was the first one to create conventions for Hot Wheels, and he was the first, really the first big Hot Wheels collector. He sold a lot of different, he had a lot of different cars in his collection, which he eventually sold. Overall, this was one of the cars that was made strictly for Mike Strauss. This is one of the creations. This is from the Hot Wheels newsletter that was published by Mike Strauss. This is the Tomarts Price Guide Special Edition Soccer. The box is opened up, so I'm going to have to pull the car out of here because it is loose. I did actually want to keep this in the packaging, but it doesn't look like I'm going to be able to do that now because the package is pretty open, but I'll have a loose copy of it, which is not bad. It looks good. It might have a little bit of like a bang, like a little bit of a flea bite here. But other than that, I mean, it looks like it's pretty mint. It looks like maybe the bubble just got dried out due to age. And that's probably why it was opened up. That's what I'm guessing. It's not disappointing to me, though. I'm okay with keeping it out of the packaging. I'm fine with that. There's no problem with it. The box is, like I said, kind of trashed. Like, it has, like, a crack here. There's, like, it's not in the very best of condition, unfortunately. But this is a special edition. It's a Chevy Stalker, as you can see here. It looks pretty cool. And this was not sold in the stores. This is not a regular mainline. This was, again, just a special edition for Mike Strauss, who was the father of Hot Wheels. And some of his pieces, some of the collection that he has sold, his collection supposedly is worth $1.3 million, and he sold a lot of pieces from his collection since he stopped collecting. And I think it's going to be about it for today for my review for the Chevy Stalker from the Mike Strauss series. Hope you guys are enjoying your day. Thank you, and have a nice day.